We have my colleague Tanushka joining us. Tanushka, now the sale of tickets on the platform has stopped. From what we are hearing is there were 2,600 tickets that were sold at the platform on that unfateful Saturday between 6 to 8 p.m.
Exactly, Divya. This is the latest that we have from the railways here, and I am exactly at the New Delhi railway station. I am currently standing outside platform 16, wherein this stampede tragic incident happened day before yesterday at night. And as of now, to look into the crowd situation, to manage the crowd as well on these platforms in the railway station, no platform tickets are being sold. So sale of platform tickets have been closed to control and manage the crowd. Now, definitely this does raise the question that why, these sort of measures need to be taken only after a mishap of this magnitude happens. Secondly, the unreserved ticket sale for Prayagraj, for trains to Prayagraj continues. However, these are, one must note that these are unreserved tickets. The information that we also have with respect to data of the trains that went to Prayagraj all over the country yesterday in the past 24 hours, that is Sunday, were 388 trains and around 18.48 lakh passengers, more than 18.48 lakh passengers traveled to Prayagraj yesterday. This is the latest figures that we have from the railways. So a lot of trains, a lot of people, but of course the basis remains that how is it that this sort of crowd management understanding comes only after a mishap. 18 people lost their lives, including 3 children, many women and elderly persons as well, and this was a definitely unfortunate incident. We do have heavier police deployment, Delhi police deployment at the platform as well. However, from the railways, what we hear is that we are not being allowed to report from inside the platforms anymore. Earlier we were being, we were right at the platforms showing you the visuals of trains coming in and going out, these special trains to Prayagraj going from Delhi, and devotees also coming back from Prayagraj after their Mahakumbh festivities and visits. But we are now stationed outside because we're not allowed to report from inside. So these are the latest developments that we have for you from the New Delhi railway station in the aftermath of the stampede, which cost the life of 18 people. Back to you.
Right, Tanushka, of course, what lessons have been learned? Of course, certain measures that are being put into place as far as the railway station in New Delhi is concerned.